Hello everyone. Today we will learn three tricks about consecutive numbers, multiplication of 9 और multiplication of 9 हम कैसे कर पाएंगे कितना easy होता है right? Let's see. First of all, we'll learn about the series of consecutive numbers. Everyone, you know about what is the consecutive series? Now you know about 1, 2, 3, the serial numbers. See, you know about the consecutive series. What is this? You know about the countings. Counting is this, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. Okay. So in which we are doing the conjunctive series. See, first question, if we have a conjunctive series like agar if we have middle of the countings कोई भी number हम लेंगे like 34, 35 and 36, 37, 38, 39, 40 and 41, 42 and 43. These are the 10 numbers of consecutive series, right? If we have 10 numbers of the consecutive series, so how to the add in this series? I'll teach you one trick within 2 seconds. You can add you can add this series in 2 seconds. You know, first you have take first number of the series. ये सीरीज उसी पर एप्लीकेबल है जब आपके 10 नंबर्स ही होते हैं, राइट? तो फर्स्ट नंबर you have take the first number, and in the first number you have add your own 4 number. ये 4 number आपको फर्स्ट सीरीज का कोई भी नंबर क्यों ना हो, तो फर्स्ट नंबर आपको लेना है and then you have to add 4 in this, right? And the answer will be 38. Okay, the answer will be 38, and in the 38 the answer is 38, but you have placed 5 in the unit place. Put the 5 in the unit place, right? And that is our answer. And that is our answer. Now, if we have कोई भी series हो like कहीं से भी 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79 and 80. There are the 10 digits. Okay, right? There are the 10 digits, and take the first digit of the series. The first digit is, yes, only 4 number add करना है. You have to add only 4, right? You have to add only 4 number, and that number is 75. Add is this, the number is 75, and put the 5 in the unit place, and that is our answer. Got it? कितना easy हो गया, right? ये पूरा अगर आप इसको पूरा कैलकुलेट करोगे तो ये आपको 4-5 मिनट्स लग जाएगा, right? तो आंसर will be this. Got it? केवड़ा, now third question for you. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32 and 33. Now do this and tell me answer in chat box. Add first number is 24 and add 4 in this. Number is 28 and put the 5 in the unit place. The answer is 285. Got it? Very good. Now one more example in the 3 digits. There are the example in the 2 digits, but we will do in the 3 digits also, right? First, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, and 107, 108, 109 plus 110, right? So take the 101 plus 4. The answer will be 105. Now put 5 in the unit place and that will be answer. One more question. 278, 279, 280, 281, 282, 283, 284, 285, 286, and 287, 287, 289, 290, 291, 287 till 287. Till 287. Now do this and tell me out. All right. Very good. Now one more example. Sixth. 655, 666, 667 plus 668, 669, 670, 671, 672, 6 आ गया. Very good. बट ये आपको याद रखना है कि ये जो एप्लीकेबल होगा सीरीज ये 10 नंबर्स पर ही एप्लीकेबल है. ठीक है. या ओके. द सेकेंड ट्रिक इज दिस. मल्टीप्लाई विद 9. 99. मल्टीप्लाई 9 तो आता ही है. मल्टीप्लाई विद 99. ओके. मल्टीप्लाई विद 99. ओके. नाउ फर्स्ट. नाउ इन द इसको मल्टीप्लाई करने में आपको कितना टाइम लगेगा? 2 minutes. But we will do within 3 seconds. Okay. 3 seconds only. Right? How? Yes. You know about the successor and predecessor? Okay. What is the successor and what is the predecessor? Successor is this. If we go one number forward, or predecessor is this if we go back one number. Okay, like 83 is the predecessor of 84 and 85 is the successor of 84, right? Now okay, आप लोग जानते हो. Very good. चलो, तो let's we write the predecessor of the number. Predecessor of the number is 84. Write the predecessor of the number is 84. So that is 83. That is 83. Right. Now take 9 in your mind. Take 9 in your mind. And in the 9, you have to minus 8. First digit minus 8. Now 9 minus 8 is 1. And 9 minus 3 is 6. And that is our answer. I think सबको clear है. बहुत बहुत easy है. Now take the next number. Next sum लेते हैं हम. 72 into 99. Now do this. First of all, first step is this. Take the predecessor of 72. That is 71. Predecessor of 72 is the 71. And then take the 9 in your mind. अपने mind में आपको 9 रखना है. And 9 minus 7 is 2. And 9 minus 1 is 8. And that is over. And this is our answer. 63 into 99. Now do this. 55 into 99. 24 into 99. 99 into 99. Now we will take 99 into 99, right? 99 into 99. Now the predecessor of the 99 is 98. Predecessor of the 99 is 98. And 9 into 9. Now 9 minus 9 is 0. And 9 minus 8 is 1. That is the answer. We will take the trick of square roots, right? Now square roots, मतलब स्केयर रूट्स मीन्स अगर हमें किसी को भी कोई भी टू डिजिट है, टू डिजिट इंटू मतलब टू डिजिट इंटू टू डिजिट मीन्स टू डिजिट इंटू टू डिजिट, अगर हम इनको मल्टीप्लाई करके एक बार में आंसर चाहिए तो हम कैसे लेकर आएंगे, राइट? तो सी 62 can we write like this? Can we write like this? 62 whole square, that mean is 62 multiplied by 2 times. Okay, 62 whole square. ठीक है, अब first of all 62 write down the 6 square root. Now 6 square का 6 को 2 times हम multiply करेंगे तो answer will be 36, right? And 2 को 2 times multiply करेंगे तो answer will be 04. हम single नहीं रखेंगे number. We are not putting the single number. We take a 0 also with the single number, right? Then 60 एक हमने partition कर लिया, 36 here and 04 here. 6 first number is 6, so 36 here and 04 here, right? Yes, Rachna, I can repeat if we have time. तो हम रिपीट करेंगे. ओके, नाउ तब तक आप स्क्वायर रूट देखो. देन 62 into 2, sorry, 6 into 2, 6 into 2, 6 into 2 and into 2. तो आंसर will be 24. 6 into 2 12, 12 plus 2 is 24, right? तो हमने जो पार्टीशन किया है उस 24 को हम पार्टीशन में ही राइट डाउन करेंगे लाइक दिस. स्टेप फर्स्ट you have write the square root 6 into 6. What is the 6 into 6 number? Then square root of 6. 6 का स्क्वायर कितना होता है? 36. Second step second, square root of 2, that is 04, right? Then third step third में आप लोग क्या करेंगे? 6 into 2 into 2 is equal to 24. And you have to make the partition like this. First digit is 6, so write down 36 here. Second digit is 2, so write down 04 the here. And then जो multiplication हमने किया 6 into 2 into 2. 6 2s are 12 and 12 2s are 24. 24 partition के tens unit जो tens place है here and unit place here. And add in this, add both. So first is 3, second is 8, that is 4, and that is 4. The answer will be this. Got it? Now next, one more example. Second example is this, 78. Okay? Step first. What is the step first? 7 square is equal to 49 and 8 square is equal to 64. Then what will we do? 7 into 8, 56. Third step क्या होगा? 7 into 8, 56 and into 7 into 8, 5. 7 into 8, 56 into 2. So 56 into 2 is equal to 112. Right? And then make the partition 49 here because 7 is the first digit and 8 is the second digit. 64 here. And what will we do? 100 and tens place here and unit place on over there the 6, right? And add in this carry over, ये प्लस किया ये प्लस किया, कैरी ओवर इधर गया तो 6 0 8 4 and that is our answer. Up next you can solve yourself 28. Now do the number, do the question this do this question everyone. 784. 96. Now do this. How was the trick? ट्रिक कैसे लग रहा है आप लोगों को? ये बहुत बेसिक ट्रिक्स हैं अभी तो हमें बहुत कुछ सीखना है, राइट? इट्स वेरी सिंपल ट्रिक. See everyone, if we have 3-digit number and multiplied with 101, if we have 3-digit number and multiplied with 101, इसमें मोस्टली बच्चे बहुत रॉन्ग करते हैं. जीरो बीच में आ जाता है, जीरो की वजह से बच्चे बहुत रॉन्ग करते हैं. तो सो इट्स वेरी इजी, बहुत सिंपल एंड बहुत इजी ट्रिक है. द ट्रिक इज दिस. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल you have to tens and ones. Take tens and ones. First number 363 में you have take tens and ones digit, ठीक है? And write the right hand side. Okay. Then after this take 100 and tens place. Take 100 and tens place. You have write left hand side. बीच में एक space छोड़ना है आपको, right? And then you will do 100 place with ones place, adding both of the digit, right? Now answer is 6. Now take 6 and write the between in this, and that is our answer. One more example. 261 into 101. Next, first of all take 61, put on right side, 26 put on left side, and 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, and that is our answer. How amazing is this, right? But
Thank
this trick is only applicable on 101 also, right? Only 101 and only 3 digit.